When you're on one crew, you fall into the same old way of doing things. It's just natural. But when you go to different crews, there's always different ways of doing things.
I thoroughly enjoy going to crews and just spending time with them and talking to them and sharing experiences and just giving them some insight into what they're getting ready to go into.
I was very fortunate that I had a couple of trainers when I was coming up that I consider mentors. They trained right. They still would get on a pole with you and they would work with you. I would see them at 45, 50 years old teaching a class, getting on the pole with students and teaching them how to climb and do the trade. And that's something I wanted to carry on too.
I look forward to learning as much as I teach. Every class I go to, one of my first statements to the whole class is I tell them, I say, I'm gonna learn something here this week or 2 weeks because you guys might do something a little different. Everybody sets a pole different. Every structure you go to is different.
Not everybody learns the way that you learn, and so you have to find a way to be able to get through to them. And that's the difficult part of training, is not just being able to show somebody, but being able to explain it as well so that they understand.
And hopefully that they take it and they learn the right ways about doing it and can go do it safely out in the field and continue a long career, go home to their families every night. But just teaching that legacy and carrying it on is what really pushed me into going into training.
I have a huge passion for this trade, and I want to give back anything that I can and keep these guys as safe as possible.
I think training is probably the key to safety.